In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an email list of 1,000 subscribers the fastest way possible. Now, the reason why I think this 1,000 email subscriber list is so important is because when I actually had built my first list of a little under 1,000 subscribers, that was the very first time that I actually generated over $1,000 in one day in terms of affiliate commissions. So I want you guys to get your first 1,000 subscribers extremely fast so that you can actually attain that goal of trying to hit over $1,000 in commissions in one day. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that exactly the fastest way possible. You don't wanna miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this video, and what we're going to be covering today is exactly how you can actually build 1,000 person email subscriber list very fast and then profit with that list and even make $1,000. And so I'm going to talk about exactly how you would actually go about doing that. So here on the screen, I just have this diagram that's breaking down everything that you're going to actually need. I'm going to actually take you guys to some websites and give you some resources for all of this stuff, but just wanted to give you the 50,000 foot view of what you're going to be doing and what you need in order to actually build the list. So the first thing you're actually going to need is some quality traffic. And the best way to actually build your list super duper fast is by using what we call solo ad traffic or email marketing traffic, right? And so what I'm going to be doing here in a minute is I'm going to be giving you guys some resources for some solo ad vendors that are quality solo ad vendors that deliver quality premium responsive leads. And what I mean by responsive leads is these leads that you're going to be getting are going to open up your emails, they're going to click on your links, and they're going to buy your offers. So I've tested a lot of different solo ad vendors, and here lately I've just been using about 3 different vendors, and I'm going to show you 2 today that have been giving me some phenomenal results. So you're going to start off with solo ad traffic, and then we're going to send those folks to a squeeze page because we want to be building our email list, right? And the whole point is to be getting 1,000 email subscriber list as fast as possible. So with this squeeze page here, in essence, if you want 1,000 people on your list, if your squeeze page is converting at 50%, then you need to send basically 2,000 clicks to your website or to this squeeze page, right? And so that's why it's really pertinent that your squeeze page that you're sending the traffic to actually converts at 50%. So a lot of people will tell you like industry standard is 20 and 30%. And that's true. That is industry standard, but that is not going to be helpful to you if you're actually trying to build your list fast and you want to make as much money as possible. And so I'm also going to be showing you guys what you can actually do to actually build squeeze pages that convert at a very high rate. We're talking about 50, sometimes even more than 50%. So you can get more of those leads coming through that squeeze page so those people can see your offer. So again, if you want 1,000 people on your email list and your squeeze page is converting at 50%, then you need roughly 2,000 clicks to actually get 1,000 people on your list. Obviously, you don't have to do this all in one day. You can do it over the span of a month, whatever your budget allows you to actually purchase in terms of solo ad clicks. But I'm just letting you know, roughly you're going to need 2,000 clicks in order to get the 1,000 subscribers. And of course, that's if your squeeze page is converting at 50%. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. And again, with the squeeze page, you're going to be putting those leads that come through your autoresponder. They're going to be getting emails and basically sending them to an offer. So they'll see the offer as soon as they opt in. And then of course they'll get email 1 and email 2 and email 3 and email 4. And ideally you want to have a email series that goes out through infinity. Like I have an email series that goes for 365 days. So in terms of the offer that you're going to be promoting, if you want to make $1,000, right, you need to be selling an offer in which you can make roughly between $150 and $200 in affiliate commissions. Therefore, if you were doing a campaign one day, you would only need to be selling maybe 6 or 7 of those products to get to $1,000. And that's doable, guys. You can actually do that. Like if you're feeding your funnel with good quality leads, it's doable to sell 6 or 7 products in one single day. And that may not happen on day 1, but maybe these leads are getting your emails, and on day 5, 7 people buy, right? So it's definitely possible to happen. And, it definitely happened to me. Like when I first started building my email list, I thought that I was never going to get to the point where I could make $1,000 in one day. And it was just really shocking that when you continue to build your list and get as many people on that list, and then you're sending some good quality offers, you'll see that the commissions will soon to come after that. So that's what I wanted to discuss. So let's now go over, and I'm going to show you the premium quality traffic solo ad vendors, and then we're going to talk squeeze pages, and then we're going to look at offers as well. So the first solo ad vendor that I'm going to highly recommend to you guys is Traffic Blade. This is a solo ad vendor that has been running some clicks for me. It's premium email traffic, and it's been converting, meaning I've been making sales with this traffic. I'm going to repeat that again. I have been making sales with this traffic. So it's converting, right? And so it's called Traffic Blade. And what you want to do is there's going to be a link in the description. You're going to click on that link. And then once you click on the link, this website will come up, and then you're going to click on Get Traffic. When you click on Get Traffic, it's going to take you to the different traffic packages. So there's an expert marketer package, and then there's a beginner marketer package. Beginner marketer packages has 70% tier 1 country. So I would say to stay away from that. What you really want is the 100% tier 1 countries. So there's not a lot of packages in terms of variety of clicks, but I will show you another resource. But I will say that this traffic is definitely converting for me. So I would try to purchase, one of these 100% tier 1 clicks. If you can get 1,000 visitors, so be it. That would be great if your budget allows it. If not, maybe try to get the 500 visitors. And I'm going to give you guys a discount code that's going to take 22% off any package that you actually purchase. So say if you wanted to get that 500 visitor click, you would just click on Get Started here. And then it's going to bring up this page, and you can see it says $365. But the coupon code that I'm going to give you guys is you type in JON 735, JON 735, and then you click on Apply Coupon. So that takes off 22% off the price of that $365. So now the total is only $284, and that's for 500 tier 1 premium email visitors. And I'm telling you that the traffic is good. Another solo ad vendor that I will refer you guys to is a affiliate marketer named Benjamin Go. He has really, really good traffic as well. And if you scroll down, again, these links will be in the description. You can scroll down and see some of his testimonials there. And he has 2 different packages. Basically, he has 95% tier 1 countries, and he offers 100% USA premium traffic as well. So if your budget allows for the 100% USA traffic, I would go for that. If not, the tier 1 is just fine. And if you get 300 clicks or more, it does come with a free email marketing course. He'll also kind of do a funnel review and take a look at your funnel and give you some consultation there. So definitely some good traffic here. And like I say, you do get a email marketing course that comes with it. So this gives you a little bit more variety in terms of if you wanted 200 clicks, 300 clicks, and so forth. But both of these resources are good. And I just admonish you guys, if you're really trying to get to 1,000 email subscribers as fast as possible, then you want to try to purchase as many clicks as you can. And if your budget allows for you to get 1,000 clicks or 2,000 clicks, then you can go ahead and do it. But, maybe you have to break that up over a course of a couple weeks or a course of a month. Maybe you get 1,000 clicks one month, and then you get the next 1,000 the next month. Now, when it comes to squeeze pages, I told you guys that I'll give you guys a couple of examples of a good squeeze page and what is converting for me right now at 50% or more. And so when it comes to squeeze pages, especially with solo ad traffic, you want to keep the squeeze page very simple and not fancy or anything. So basically, you just want a headline and an opt-in box, headline and an opt-in box. And you definitely don't want to give away too much information on the actual squeeze page. So say this squeeze page here, which is definitely converting at 50% or more. I actually did a video last week about this squeeze page. I'll actually link that video for you guys. I go in depth into squeeze pages, so you can watch that video after this one. Basically, you want to keep the headline with a hint of curiosity. So you don't really want to give away what they're going to be seeing on the other end. You want them to be curious about what is going to be on the other end, so that you'll have more people opt in, right? And so with this headline, it just basically says your automated cash machine is ready for activation. And so it's very simple, and you don't really know what the automated cash machine is. So you're probably going to be very curious to go ahead and opt in to see what this cash machine is. This page is converting at 50%. And so for every 100 clicks that I send, 50 people opt in. Here's another page that says 100% free training reveals how to earn $300 a day from the comfort of your home without needing your own products, website, or doing any personal selling. So again, I'm not giving away the kitchen sink by telling them what the offer is. I'm just saying, hey, I got some free training for you, and it can teach you how to make $300 a day from the comfort of your home with no products, no website, and no personal selling. Opt in to go ahead and figure that out. I'm actually using Lead Pages for a page builder right now. And I believe they are running some sort of Black Friday sale with Lead Pages, as you can see on their annual plans. So if you go to Lead Pages, I have a link in the description for this as well. You can go down here and just click on save 40% or pricing, whatever comes up. And it looks like they are doing a Black Friday special as we speak. And so if you get the annual plan, if you opt for the annual plan, you basically can get the standard package, which is all you need, for $23 a month. But this is billed annually. If your budget doesn't allow for that, you can go for the monthly plan at $49 a month. This is actually what I pay for now. I pay the $49 a month. I kind of wish that I had a special when I signed up for this, because I definitely would have opted for the annual plan at the $23 a month. But I already have my account, so I can't go back now. But this is definitely something that you guys are going to need anyways for your business if you don't have a squeeze page. And if you guys want to get Lead Pages through the link in the description, I can go ahead and share these two pages with you that are converting at 50%. So you already got the good premium traffic. I told you where to get that from. And then number two, you can get these exact pages. I can share these with you, and you just have to contact me via my email. I'll leave that in the description as well. And I will share these exact pages with you, and then you can utilize these pages to actually start building your list and getting as many opt-ins as possible. So last but not least, let's go ahead and talk about the offer that you're going to want to promote. And if you're looking to try to make $1,000 in 24 hours or in a single day, more than likely you want to be selling something roughly around that $150 mark to $200 mark. So I basically just came over here to ClickBank, and the reason I came here is because when I made my first $1,000 in a day, it was from a ClickBank product. But essentially, you basically can just find offers depending on what niche you're in. You're more than likely, if you're watching this video, you're in the e-business and e-marketing niche. But essentially what you want to do is you want to find offers that say that the average conversion is $150. So like this product is $150, that product is $139. So you want to be selling or promoting products that are in that $150 range to $200 range. And this is just the average conversion sales. So you could make more money with the upsells, but you just want to make sure that you're getting somewhere in that range so that you only have to make 6 or 7 sales to make $1,000 in a day. That's what I would definitely recommend. Now, for me, I sell a lot of private affiliate networks. I actually have a affiliate network that I generate $177 per sale. and it's a great high converting funnel that I like to promote. If you guys want to check that out, I'll actually leave that link in the description as well. I've done several videos on it where, you know, I'm making $177 over and over and over, and it's been just converting for me because it's very simple and people tend to jump on it when they actually see the offer. So I hope that made sense, guys. If we just kind of toggle back to the diagram here again, premium traffic, you got to get a squeeze page that's converting at least 50%. I gave you guys all those resources. And then you want to find a good offer that is going to make you $150, $200 per sale. Definitely have the email marketing follow-up in place because that's going to be important. Those leads may not buy on the first day or two, but if you keep following up with these premium leads that you're going to be getting, you'll eventually start seeing some sales, but you got to have that follow-up series in place so that you can definitely make it happen. So trust the process, guys. If I can tell you anything, just trust the process of just building your list. I know it doesn't feel good or feel sexy up front because I'm like, oh, you're buying traffic and you're putting it through a squeeze page. But I'm telling you guys, if you keep focusing on these two things, traffic and building your list, the offer is interchangeable. This can always change, right? Because you're going to be in different business opportunities. Maybe you have different products. This can change, but you always need to get quality traffic over here, and you always have to be building your list, and you always have to be mailing to your list. So I hope that made sense. I will leave all the links for what we talked about in the description, and so just go down in the description and click any of those links. I also have my email address in there as well. So if you have any additional questions, you can ask me via email or you can leave a comment. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button on this video. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to show you in future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.